everyone. SD Mountain Man. Now, doing a little flashlight review. I didn't buy it. Work did. But it's no thrower for long range or nothing. But I tell you what, for like an inspection or maintenance light, 3 AAA batteries, it does the trick. PX1. It's a Coast PX1. 20865 is the number, I guess, whatever we call it. It's plain and simple, high and low modes. It's got flood and spotlight mode. You can screw the tip in and out to get to spot and flood. High is 480 lumens. Supposed to be 107 meters and lasts 3 hours and 30 minutes. On low is 40 lumens, 30 meters, and 28 hours. So it's there's high, there's low, and then I said you can screw the deal down and make it floodlight type. But tell you what, let's just give it a try. It's getting dark here. I got a post out here. I took my my rangefinder, and the tip of it is kind of orange colored, kind of rust and whatnot. But the tip was 18 to 20 yards, 18 to 22, something like that yards. Let me kill the lights quick, and we'll try this out and see how it does. Okay, so here's high on spot mode, and I got it right at the camera height and everything. And there's flood mode. It really lights things up. We'll go back to spot mode, and there's low. Low is really low, I'll tell you what. But depends on what you're doing, you know. Just if you just need a little bit of light. There's high again on spot mode. Even spot mode, this kind of range, it spreads out quite a bit. Like I said, it's not a thrower long range type deal. I don't even tell them the weeds in my gravel pile. It is. It does get out there. Out kind of where the weeds are at, that's my fence line. That's didn't measure that. That's probably about 30 yards. So anyway, just I don't know, throwing it out there. Just something to show maintenance guys, stuff like that. It does a trick. I'm gonna be trying it out and checking it out at work. So I guess that's about it. Take care, everybody. SD Mountain Man out.